Okay, let's dive into the latest update for the AI code editor, Cursor. Seriously, version 2.2 is not just another update, it's a massive leap forward. We're talking about new features that really transform Cursor from just a tool into a genuine coding partner.
So here's what we're going to cover. First, we'll check out its new automated debugging powers. Then, we'll see how it makes project plans way clearer with visuals. After that, we'll look at something truly wild, making two AIs compete to find the best possible solution. Let's get right into it.
First up, let's talk about a feature that tackles every developer's favorite nightmare, debugging. Cursor's new debug mode is designed to automate the whole painful process, from sniffing out the root cause of a bug to actually fixing it and making sure the fix works. So how in the world does it do that? Well, the magic here is something called code instrumentation. Think of it like this. The AI agent goes into your code and cleverly places these little logging checkpoints everywhere. It doesn't change your code's logic, it just watches the flow to see exactly where things break. The whole process is this complete hands-off loop. The agent starts with a guess. It hypothesizes what might be causing the bug. Then it instruments the code to trace everything and see if its theory is right. Once the bug is confirmed, boom, the agent applies a fix and then reruns all the tests to make absolutely sure the problem is gone. And when we actually put this to the test on the Praison AI Bench tool, the results were, well, pretty incredible. The agent all on its own found a tricky bug, applied fixes in 3 different files, and confirmed it all worked with almost no help from me. Okay, next up, let's look at a huge improvement to the planning phase. You know how feature planning can get super messy? Well, Cursor is now using visuals to cut through the complexity and bring some real clarity to your project's roadmap. You know how it used to be, right? You'd ask the AI to plan some new features, and what you'd get back was this giant wall of text. I mean, sure, the information was in there somewhere, but good luck trying to quickly figure out what was important. But now all it takes is a simple little follow-up prompt asking the agent to turn that plan into a picture. And this is where it gets really cool. And just like that, the same information is totally transformed. The agent uses Mermaid diagrams to create this clean visual layout. You can instantly see all the proposed features and how they connect. And look at that, the highest priority item, adding parallel concurrent runs, just pops right out. Now, this brings us to what I think is a truly game-changing feature. What if you could have 2 different AI models build the exact same feature at the exact same time, and then have another AI step in and judge which one did a better job? Well, that's precisely what this new feature does. So the task was to build that parallel execution feature we just saw, and we assigned 2 of the heaviest hitters out there, Gemini 3 Pro and Opus 4.5, to go head-to-head on the problem. And as you'd probably expect, they took different paths. Gemini really focused on just the core code. But Opus went the extra mile. It not only built the feature, but also updated the README, the changelog, and the version number. So now you have 2 perfectly good solutions. How do you possibly choose? Here's the kicker. You don't have to. Cursor steps in as the judge. It analyzes both solutions and gives you a clear winner. In this case, it picked the Opus 4.5 version because of its better code organization, top-notch error handling, and all that production-ready documentation. And the impact of that choice isn't just about cleaner code. It delivers real, measurable performance boosts. The original tests, running one by one, took 26 seconds. After putting in the AI-generated feature, that time plummeted to just 7 seconds. Yeah, that's a 73% increase in speed. That is a massive, tangible improvement built by one AI and chosen by another. Just incredible. All right, to wrap things up, let's look at a nice little quality of life feature and then pull together the main takeaways from this whole Cursor 2.0 update. So there's this new pin chat feature. It's simple, but man, is it useful. It just lets you stick important conversations to the top of your list so you don't lose track of that complex debugging session or that big feature build you're working on. So, what's the big picture here? What does this all mean? Cursor 2.2 is really pushing what we thought an AI coding assistant could do. It's automating the boring stuff like debugging, it's giving us strategic insights when we're planning. This update is all about making AI a much more active, much more intelligent partner in everything we do. I mean, these updates just completely raise the bar for what we should expect from our coding tools. It's not just about auto-completing a line of code anymore.
Now it's about strategic thinking, automated problem solving, and even built-in quality control. It really leaves you with one important question. Is your coding assistant this smart?